Previously, I viewed 2 different new builds and 1 new build show home, and at the time I did not realize that I was that interested in them. So we viewed 2 plots, one house type called the Chandler and a show home called the Turner. The Chandler is a bigger and better house overall, but the Turner is cheaper and the actual plot isn't completed yet. So if you don't know anything about new builds, if your house is at that stage, you can pick all your furnishings and any upgrades you want to the house if that's the case. Also, the Turner, it has a lot bigger garden, so we are back at one of the plots. So we had such a long talk last night of just kind of if we should go for this plot. We were both actually really set on getting the plot which is called the Turner, and then after a long talk with my mum, we're back here at this plot. This plot has already been pretty much built. There's like a few things that needs to be added and stuff, but we can't choose the finishings of everything, so everything's pretty much built. We can't choose all the covered doors and stuff, so that's why we weren't really gonna go for this one. But after a long talk, here we are again. So we're just inspecting and seeing if we actually want to get this plot, and we might reserve it today. So exciting. So another problem that we thought that might be an issue is the sink. So the sink isn't upgraded, and their standard sink is very shallow. I've never actually seen a sink this shallow. So we're thinking like in terms of like pots and pans, like there's not much room here. And then this one is just shallow to the shallow. Like,
yeah, it's like
but then again, it's not a big deal. It's just that
even that bit where you dry your plates is kind of small.
this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh well.
But I'll take it.
Yeah.
I'll take it. So we spent a good hour, maybe even over an hour, in this plot going through everything about this house. The last time we were here, we viewed this house as not a house we were actually going to buy, but more of like a template for other plots of this house type. And so to make sure that we were 100% with our decision that we actually wanted this actual house, this actual plot, we viewed the show home as well for this house type. We're now in the showroom. Oh my god, looking nice.
That's quite nice. Oh, it's exactly like you were saying.
Oh, that's a bit busy though. That
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah.
Fake plant. Vase. I would have a thing.
Living. Oh, look at the living. Okay.
Okay. Oh, this is what it looks like with something in.
Oh, now we can get an idea of space because it actually looks very like not as big as.
Yeah. But it's because we've been to the other one.
Yeah.
Well, that was huge. Oh, this is what they did.
Oh, that's all right actually.
If you just, I guess.
Yeah. Awkward radiator positioning, but what can you do?
Yeah.
So TV there, I'd say sofa, same place. Maybe we do the same sofa placement if we get 2 sofas or what. I quite like what they did here, but yes and no, I wouldn't do it like that, but...
Too big. I don't know why this mirror looking...
You like it?
Yeah, it's not bad. Looking before. You would have iron bun, right?
But this is what I'd like, but we can't do this because we're too late. Oh, nice.
Wow.
If we put a mirror there, oh my god, that opens up the room, makes it so nicer, don't you think?
Yeah.
Oh, and look, that's what I was saying. I quite like a rectangular table here. It doesn't take up the room, really doesn't. And look, you can fit 6 people.
Fridge. But our one will come out from to here. It doesn't.
Yeah, but that's still fine.
Yeah, you push this a little.
I think our cupboard stuff is better than the showroom.
Oh, this is the shallow bit. Okay, it doesn't look that bad.
Oh, I think it's because it doesn't look that bad because it's clean.
Yeah. The
Okay.
week beginning. Oh, I guess we could
The
put
week,
something
let
else.
the week begin. Oh, I like this. Oh, I think we should put a mirror there. That'll be so nice.
Oh yeah, it is very nice. Maybe this exact mirror.
Damn, I'm glad we went in the showroom. I really like this.
What?
This will be your room.
Is it this one?
Yeah. It's actually a good size. Look at that. They fit like a... What is that? Single?
Single.
Oh.
Mhm.
Come to my room. Oh, that's quite nice. Come in. The Get a double bed in here. Oh, got a.
What did they put here?
Got a
Oh, they
shelf
just added
here.
that.
They might have that in ours though.
Oh, it's different here though. There's
Yeah.
different. There's a website in here.
Oh yeah, and then here, got nothing. Cool.
In the toilet? Oh, the tiles here, but oh yeah, tiles you get to choose. What tiles would you choose?
What do you mean? We don't get to choose the tiles. Master. Oh yeah, now we got an idea of space.
Yeah. Is this integrated? Yeah, it is.
Oh yeah, put a wardrobe there.
Yeah, we can.
I thought, you know what? I thought the bed would come out a lot further. That's why.
Yeah, same.
Okay, very nice. Bathroom. Bathroom is how I expect it to be fair. I would have a bigger mirror.
Yeah, way bigger.
Cause like
This is like tiny.
oh my god. Okay, so we just took a break. We had some food because oh my god, we were at the, what do you call it, the marketing suite, or is it sales suite? I don't know. We were there for 5 hours. 11:30 a.m. got out at 4:30. How long were we in there for? I'm glad we had food before we came. Imagine we did not. But anyways, we reserved a property. Insert picture. We took a picture.
We did?
We reserved the property.
Oh my god.
So just to make everything make sense, so today last night we had this long conversation of shall we get this property, what property do we get, all this stuff, and in the end we just, I don't know why we're so impulsive. For instance, our last property which fell through because someone else came out of the chain, you hadn't even seen the property.
No.
We put in an offer like that, and for this property, we saw this property yesterday, we come back today and we reserved it,
And we wasn't even sure that we were gonna get this.
yeah,
We was on it to get another one.
we were thinking about getting the Turner plot, and then now we came and was like, we're getting a Chandler. And the thing is, we can actually see the plot. So the plot that we've chosen is actually pretty much built. There's like a few additions that you can add to it and stuff like flooring and everything, and oh my god, we reserved it. Yeah, we got it. And then we also got a good deal on it, because so I think we got a good deal on it anyway, only because this plot had already been built and everything. We couldn't choose the finishings and stuff like that, but we ended up getting like the flooring that we wanted for free, well, majority of the flooring for free. The grass.
Yeah.
I thought grass came as a standard,
same.
but my mum's did, because my mum has a new build and hers came as a standard, and along with other things that I didn't know that did not came as a standard. And we also got like the washing machine and the dishwasher, integrated dishwasher and washing machine in there as well. So we got that all for free. I don't know what else. We got quite a bit of things for free. So we had he gave us £8,000 budget, not budget, but then £8,000 for free to spend on all the additions that we wanted. So we just ended up choosing like the washing machine, the dishwasher, the grass, the flooring. So we don't want carpet in bedrooms, so it was a bit extra, but we managed to, you know,
A bit?
okay, it was double the price extra not to have carpet in the bedrooms, but it worked out within budget, within £8,000, which is good. So that's nice. And we got the plot, we reserved it. We were there for so long. We also picked the flooring, everything, and but yeah, oh my god, we got the plot. And now we have 6 weeks for completion. He's giving us 6 weeks to complete everything, which is good, which is bad, I don't know. But to be fair, we just reserved the plot today. We went to eat and we went to the car, and the mortgage people already rung. They're working like, so we went with Bellway, and they have some mortgage broker that I don't know if they're partnered with or they're associated with, or I don't know. But they gave us a call and we're just like, okay, cool. We'll just go with that. It just convenience, because we gotta get this done in 6 weeks, so we kind of need it. And then so he was on the phone to us, and he came back and he said like, our credit is good. He says that you're rated between like 1 to 5 on how good your credit is, and we got a 1. So he says that our credit is really good, so that's really good. So the next steps, we've got to do like the whole solicitor process again, all this paperwork, all this kind of stuff. So, but within 2 days, we reserved and viewed our plot and everything, and we're all good. Now on to the next steps.
Yeah.
We literally came out of the last house and was like, on to the next one. Well, yeah, so that's our journey so far, and
It is crazy.
good days.